everybody to 3D Print Hub. Going inside, check things out. Yeah, there's our new cabinet. I'm gonna do some work to it, get it good to go. Display case right by the front door. Little setting area over here. Miniatures. These are all resin printed miniatures right here. We also have some terrain, print on demand. In our work area where people can come in. There's Bart. That's Bart over there. Some jewelry over here. Some swords. Chess sets. We got filament. We got refurbished printers for sale. Better than new, because you don't have to put them together. They've been totally tested, updated, and you get a free beginner course class. Back here, got printers going, getting ready to get more going. Work area. Some printers, one of them is ready to go, another one's being worked on. Another one down here to work on, and a couple more over here. Bunches of trash. Resin over there. Come and check us out. We're at the FireWheel Town Center.